client's house, and I got two NFAs because I was a little confused here. And we have some fiber optic that's been put in outside, so we have some concerns about possible magnetic fields. Of course, there was no environmental test that was done on these fiber optics. So they didn't do any NEPA to find out if there was a hazard with these things being put in. You wouldn't think you would have a hazard with something that works on light, fiber optics, but depends on the grounding system and how they hook it up, the transformers and things like that. You can create a high magnetic field, and you can actually make the house, if it has problems, you can make the house have even more problems and start attaching more things to the grounding system, because you're attached to the same grounding system as all the other houses in here because of the water pipe issue. So what we found here, we had some very interesting, we have like really super high magnetic fields just a few minutes ago, but they dropped. So I'm gonna go ahead and camera lead, I'm gonna grab the camera, and I want you to turn on, do me a favor, turn on the air conditioner, and let's see what happens when I turn on the air conditioner here. So it's nothing should really change with the air conditioner going on. But we're gonna give it a second to click in. And I'm suspicious there might be a wiring error going on with the air conditioner. Yep, you want in the action too? Yep, nope. Might take a minute since it just kind of clicked off. So I have to let everything reset with the air conditioner. There you go, now it's come back on. That's here, okay, look at that. Now it's up to 3 milligauss, just as the air conditioner got turned on. And a few minutes ago, we were at over a 19 milligauss along the floor. So I'm gonna leave that one there. Now I'm down the floor here. Well, sometimes the wires can do this, but typically I find out it's usually a water pipe issue, or it could be how your, if your circuit breaker had been moved from the original location. I see this sometimes. Because you have a wire around here. I'm just gonna. Okay, let's reset this guy here. Just got. And now it's dropped back down over here. So over here, it's dropped back down. I'll leave that one there just to make sure this thing's working right. This is 2.33. We'll go over here. So it drops off as you move further away. Something going on with this guy here. I think he might be a little bit tired. Let's just use one here. Okay, so I'm gonna move back over here. So as I go closer to
The wires.
not necessarily, go back.
Go down the hall.
It's a little higher here.
That's where the unit is.
Drops back down. So it's right in here, but it's probably something run along the bottom, but something's grounded from the air conditioner more than likely to the water pipe to create this problem. Or actually, I apologize. No, if your electrical wiring's run along here because it runs on quite a bit, takes quite a few amps, that will raise the magnetic field when the thing comes on. But usually you don't have it run on below your floor like this. Usually it runs around the outside of the house or around the sill plate.
House towards the kitchen.
So let's go back toward the kitchen. And it drops back down. Let's go back toward the street here. So I go back down low. That's at 3.5. I'll go back high again. You know, it's up high by the ceiling. See, there's definitely something going on here. So either wiring error, something's going on. All right, do you want to turn the air conditioner off? Let's see if it drops now and turn the air conditioner back off. Yeah, so it might take a minute for that to happen. Did it just go off? $3 milligauss in center of this place. All right, now I just dropped, see it? Wow. Dropped down from 3 to 0.8 when we turn the air conditioner off. It doesn't matter where I'm at in the house, the whole magnetic field drops as soon as you do that.
What's it in here?
Well, it's 0.8. It was at 3.
What about the living room?
It was like same thing. 3, 5, 7, 10. Depends if it's low to the ground or not. So turn this off.